Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment, and today we are cooking chili. CJ's homemade chili, yummy yummy for the tummy. Roll that chili. Okay, in my crock pot, I've already got my grind up meat, which is 2 pounds. 1 pound of ground chuck and 1 pound of turkey sausage. I got my chili seasoning right there, oregano, paprika, minced onions, a little bit of cumin over here. I got some minced garlic over here. I had a little bit of sugar, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 green pepper, 1 onion, a cup of beer, a couple of shakes of hot sauce, about 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, just here, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, just to cut that tomato sauce. 2 cans of tomato sauce. Okay. Going to put this all in, stir it up real good. By the way, I did season my meat and kept it in for 24 hours. So let's put this all together and see what we got. Some chili. Pounds of meat in. 1 pound of ground chuck, 1 pound of turkey sausage, 2 cans of kidney beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 green pepper, 1 small onion, 1 cup of beer, dark beer, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced onions, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of sugar, only to cut that tart taste. Now, this is everything. I'm going to mix it up really, really well. Then I'm going to put it in that crock pot, and I am going to cook it on low for 6 hours. Then we'll be back. Okay, it's all mixed up, and it's ready to go in to the crock pot for 6 hours. And what I'll do is I'll be stirring every couple of hours. Maybe get ahead and taste it as I go. Kept the little beer on the side. And kept a little bit of chili seasoning on the side. To add and taste. Yummy.